back to the ClickDo videos and to produce videos every single day. And guys, thanks for being in part of the ClickDo YouTube channel. And if you're new to this channel and if you've seen this video for the first time, I highly recommend you to hit that subscribe button. And me and my team is going to do really interesting videos about all the things SEO, all the things real marketing, how you can actually do to get started, what has changed, because a lot of people asking about like, okay, what's going to happen with ChatGPT and all, is SEO dead and things like that. So we're going to cover all those things. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that like button, plus subscribe, ask your questions in below of these videos. I'm going to bring even soon Dinesh to do more videos with me. Manuela might start doing videos with me. Some of the other people as well as our clients as well, to discuss about how the SEO has changed over time. Does the links work and what businesses that people can... If you haven't watched the last video about how to get started with the guest posting business, make sure you watch that. I give a precise answer about how anybody can get started that as a part of the initial step and to quickly start getting the money rolling. Because if you are new to the SEO industry and if you haven't made any money, you got your clients, but it's going to take some time, it's stalling, rolling, you need to scale, but you want some quick money start rolling in by doing something really effective and also helping other SEO consultants as well as businesses. Starting the guest posting business model is something that you can really do about it. So have a think about it. I've covered in a very in-depth video. It's just 10-minute video, but I go about how you need to do about why you should build your brand as an SEO consultant point of view, why you should just not be one of those people just email a bunch of sites with no name, who nobody knows who you are to deal with, and you're asking them to pay. So that doesn't work in that way. So this is why it's really important, even as a service provider, to build a personal brand. When somebody puts your name up on Google or Bing, you showcase really nice way. I told yourself, search my name, Fernando Raymond, you will see the most amazing with the books and all. People want to work, people want to hire. That's what I did it like, because then people like, okay, this guy knows it. I want what he has and he's been doing. Let me hire him. So this is the way you really stand up, because thousands and thousands of people are doing, they're selling guest post. So if you want to stand ahead the crowd and land that money business, you need to do that one, because competition is only getting harder and harder. A lot of people might have to leave this virtual online jobs and go back to, or else just wait for some money to be given by somebody else. But if you want to be one of those people who are the winners and you get the money and really go about winning it, you got to do this one. You got to build your personal brand, have your website, have your self position, have some case studies. I need to get few reviews from your people. Try to help some business owners, get them the reviews, video reviews really stand out, and position yourself as a person that people just can't help but want to work with, because that's the way you win this SEO industry business. And let us know what you do at the ClickDo channel. More and more videos, as I said, is going to cover about like how to use digital marketing techniques such as SEO, Google AdWords, Facebook advertising, all these skill sets for you to make money as a service provider. If you're just starting out, you're doable. If you already have a business, I'm going to further take things to about how you can automate your agency to run by experts who can even be better than you. Right? How can you automate? How you take that transition as soon as possible? How to delegate your task to the people in your team, train them, have it, and then you have more time. Then you have more time to think about developing the business, venturing out to other business, because like things are, guys, like getting really competitive. I tell to my clients, even if your one business is going good because your rankings are good, you're getting a lot of clicks and sales and this stuff, double down on it, but take some money and invest in another business. Scale the business. Think about other ventures, because if something goes down, what if your Google ranks down? What if something happened to Google? Are you only prioritizing on Google? Why not about Bing? Why not about Bing ads, Facebook? Build a brand in a way to reach out to the people, the email list. All those things are really vital, because that's where you build a sustainable business to face to any sort of a thing. I think about it all the time, right? Even though I have the ClickDo, the seeker host is a part of the business, it goes to the very core of the web. It's a SaaS business, which is recurring, and clients are, when you get a client, they go for the rest of their life if as long as things are good. So this is what you can do if you're already a seasoned SEO consultant, you're doing your SEO business is going well or fine, you build to a level, you delegate, you try to automate it, and you try to build another similar business or in the digital economy, which you can be ready to be future sustainable business. Because if anything comes along and if one of business tanks, you got the other business to bank. So that is how you need to think about. And this short video, I want to give a little bit of a welcome again for you all. As you guys have seen, we haven't done any videos recently, so me and Dinesh and our team decided to pump more videos, talk about the economy more, deal marketing techniques, SEO, all these things, ways in the most practical way a person can use to make the money and make an impact in the world, create teams, employ more people, you grow yourself, all those things. So drop the questions, let me know what you want to hear more and more in this channel, and I look forward to talking to you, and I'll be back in the next video, guys. Drop that like, let's make it reach, let's go big. So see you again.